What's up, guys? The boss Anas coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another banger? Yeah, man, peeps. Wagwan. Today, our Wednesday. Say happy Wednesday. Ash Wednesday. Yeah. Don't mind my ear like this, guys. You know what I mean? Just let it out, make you get some ear. So, I know I miss a day yesterday, peeps, in regarding to uploading and thing. Don't mind the dogs in the background. I have dogs in the yard, so yeah. But I just want to apologize, peeps, for skip like 2 days and so. I'm gonna tell you now why, peeps. This right here, full of water, and I've been drinking it a lot. When you know if you can see, but my lip kind of dry. I'm dehydrated, guys, I'm tired. On a real level, peeps, it take a lot of work for give you no content and thing. Also for streaming too. And so, hold on 1 second. Hey, dog, tap it nice! Tap it. Thank you very much, guys. Sorry. Wow, I went very hostile there. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, it take a lot of work for stream. Cause if no phone no know, I have 2 platforms. I have the gaming channel and I have the entertainment channel. You know what I mean? And the brand, Sinus Gaming. You know what I mean? Enough work. And a lot of times, I work, and more time I get enough rest. Or I not eat properly, or I not drink enough water. Or train as much as I normally train. And it take a little toll on my body. Which it did right now. And thing, and yesterday still. Today, I do a short stream, peeps. I couldn't stay long because I'm bored too, and I'm just tired. Also did a live stream on Twitch, and I only could have hold out for 47 minutes and so, and I pretty much just lock off the live stream and go lay down, you know what I mean? And I did on a video call with my Sinus. My Sinus not there right now. She did down a mom Sinus, I go and chill, you know? Little and thing. Beer drop me, I drop asleep. Because I'm tired, peeps. You know what I mean? It take a lot of work. And then my vibes, it broke a little bit. You know what I mean? You know that's a part of the journey and thing, but we not give up, we not believe in giving up. Not at all and thing, but that's the reality, peeps. And sometimes the content that I stream can get boring and repetitive and stuff like that. Even though I have a lot of games, some of the games them I don't really get that much traction on it, and then more times some of my peeps who play with them they're not online, you know what I mean, because most people them work differently, you know what I mean, them have to go in the work and stuff like that, and all of my friends them stay and can play a game like what me do, you know what I mean, part of what I do and thing. But that's really the reality. And when more time like our GTA, if nobody around, still people. If most of my crew not around, it kinda get boring because I do the same mission and forget to make money and thing. When I get home, I try to say if them not around. But anyway, that's pretty much it. But the good news is, peeps, as you know, my camera, the front camera now work on this, the back camera now, and this is what I mainly use for shoot. But guess what? we got a new camera. This is the Canon T6 Rebel. Big up. Big up, for big up. You know what I mean? Big up, my brother. You know what I mean? Put it back on my speed grip. And this. And so we got this, peeps. Which is a good look. You know what I mean? But I still need like battery. And like a lapel mic and thing for it and so, you know. So we need extra battery, a lapel mic, and them little thing there feet, you know what I mean? And this is gonna be like a professional thing when we can use this for shoot the stage show them back and certain little serious vlogs like how we go up on the road and so, as the place free up a little bit. And in all honesty, I hope it free up and thing, cause that is not good and good for the platform too. Cause I know a lot of you people want the stage show them and certain things to come back, because that's what the platform is known for also. And yeah, but in all honesty, it's not fully free up yet, you know what I mean? Yeah. But in the meantime, there are some other little things as you can see what I do. I want to touch back the street, but we just want like a certain gears. I want to work on like a thing, certain little things before we kick out and touch the road. You know what I mean? And we have certain little things I work on, but just know say this year is going to be a bigger and better year for Sinus Gaming in terms of content and raising the bar and raising the standards of the brand, because this is what I really want to do, guys. You know what I mean? And yeah, this is really what I want to do. And you guys' help will be really appreciated too. You know what I mean? When I drop the content, them on the share them up and thing. You know, them little thing there go a long way. You know what I mean? But really and truly, it's just really for those. Just share the art, share what I love, and do what I love, and just be happy. And I hope while doing so can make you guys happy too. But I just want you guys to know what I've been up to, what's been happening, what is about to happen, and I assure you I'm gonna definitely deliver upon it and thing. But in the meantime, peeps, yeah, I couldn't know what I'm going, because I couldn't even get no idea of no content today and thing. Worse with me sinus not around, because I'm just tired and really exhausted. People, I'm not telling a lie. You know what I mean? I'm well tired and thing. I'm just there, just rest up and I drink some water and such and such for. But stay tuned. You know what I mean? More things to come. And all of my peeps, them remember, I go check out my gaming channel too at 760. We still a long way off. Well, yeah, still a long way off to reach 1,000. But not so long way off, but yeah. It is what, 239 to reach 1,000, because I did check it a while ago. Yeah, 761 now. So yeah, we'll keep up our end, and so I wanna really appreciate the support too. You know what I mean? Help the boy reach the goal. You know what I mean? So that's what's been happening, guys, with me and everything while I go on. So thank you very much for watching, and just go on journey with your boy. And I love you guys very much. And remember that nothing can stop us, because God will rock. Whoop! Hey!